What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Amari Sotomayor back again with another video, man. And so today I'm gonna be getting a muffler delete on my car. And I recently got the resonators taken off. It's loud, but I want to get it more louder. Like car people understand. So I want to get it louder than what it is right now. And so I'm out here at this muffler shop out here in Connecticut. I'm out here in Connecticut seeing my dad for Christmas and everything. Feel me? And by the time y'all see this, it might be Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope y'all enjoy y'all time with y'all families and everything. So let me call this shop and see if they can still take me, because I had an appointment for earlier this morning, but I missed it. I slept through that. Hold on. Hopefully they answer.
Pops exhaust.
Hey, how you doing? Is it too late to come in for a muffler delete?
We're here till noon, so I guess that all depends on what kind of vehicle and exactly what you're looking to have done.
So I got a 2013 Dodge Charger RT, and I was just
That was the one for 8 o'clock, wasn't it?
Yeah, I missed it though. I already knew I was gonna miss that appointment.
Is it mid muffler or rear mufflers?
Probably just the mids.
You do the mids on those things, they're normally $250 plus tax.
Okay.
It depends on. You probably have to be here probably at least by 11 o'clock for me to make that work.
Okay, I believe I'm like 30 minutes out right now. I'm in New Haven.
30 minutes out. Yeah, I mean, you could give it a shot and see. It just depends on when you get here. If now you play it safe, I got tons of time on Tuesday too when we open back up.
I'll probably try to take that risk and come out there.
yeah, give it a shot and see what happens.
Alright, no problem. Do you guys have exhaust tips as well?
We do have tips in stock, but then you'd be redoing the rears too.
Oh, okay. So okay, I guess I'll just get there and let you check it out and see what we could do.
Alright, I could probably at least handle the mid mufflers, but I probably couldn't handle everything if you're doing tips too. I'm not gonna have enough time.
Alright, no problem. So I'm gonna be on my way right now.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bye.
So yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna get my mufflers taken off. Hopefully he could do it. He sounded like he didn't have enough time. But let me give y'all a little cold start of the car right now. Yeah, it's brick outside right now. It's mad cold. Let me show y'all. So it's loud, but I want to get it louder, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the muffler shop. It was good, y'all. So I just made it to the exhaust shop right now. It's freezing outside. I'm shivering. My hands is brick. Yeah, but yeah, I made it. So I believe they work on the car right now. And if you're out here in CT, Connecticut, come to Pops Exhaust. They'll get you right. So I believe they work on the car right now. And then I'm gonna show y'all when they finish up and everything. So I'm gonna see y'all in a few. You can do it again? Oh yeah, that sounds good. Oh yeah, that's good. Thank you.
You got it, man.
Appreciate it, Books.
You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that livened it right up.
Yeah, it did.
I just always sound.
Yeah, I love it, bro.
All right,
Appreciate
man.
it.
You got it. Oh,
Yeah.
your mufflers all right up over there.
Yeah, thank you. Where can they find you at, man? Pops Exhaust?
Pops exhaust.
Pops Exhaust. Come to him, man.
Take it
Appreciate
easy.
it. Have a happy holidays, all right? All right. Yeah, y'all, so I just got my mufflers deleted. But I'm gonna give y'all like little pulls, little POV, and a little coaster and everything like that. So yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. I'm about to do a little shopping for Christmas, a little last minute shopping. and then I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. What's good, YouTube? So right now I'm just giving y'all like a little POV. Me driving after the mufflers getting deleted. It's funny, I was on the highway and I was thinking about doing it and I just forgot, feel me? So that was my bad. But I'm gonna give y'all like a little street POV. I'm gonna give y'all like little floors. Let me turn this down. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all like little floors. Oh my god. Turn on red. Oh no, right turn. I'm tweeting. We close this vent so I can hear it too. But yeah, it sounds good, y'all. Like, I don't know, it feels good when I'm on my car. See, what's the left? Take that. Oh my gosh. Nah, that muffler delete just made it like 5 times louder. So the boys. But yeah, I did my little shopping. Everybody coming. Oh my, that sounds mean. But yeah, man. Hope everybody having a good time with the fam. Everybody enjoys their Christmas. See, I saw like 2 cops over here already. So I'm gonna chill on the main block. I don't even know where I'm going, I'm just driving. I do not know these Connecticut blocks. Oh, you got a little something too. But yeah. But I wanna give y'all a little cold start and everything. This is tough. I'm jacking it. Let's see. I don't even know what block I'm on, bro. I'll go down here. Yeah, I'm feeling this, y'all, but I'm pretty sure y'all hear it. But I'm gonna give y'all a little coastline so y'all can hear how it sounds outside the car. And yeah, man. Y'all, so I just want to show you how that sounded with the mufflers off and the resonators off.
Yeah, it sounds crazy.
Yeah, appreciate bro for recording for me, feel me? But way more videos coming soon. Roll the 1K, tune in, man. I'm hollering at y'all.
Roll the 1K.
Yes, sir.
Run it up.